Why is GMP required? In API manufacturing, the purpose of following GMP regulations is to ensure that all active pharmaceutical ingredients are consistently manufactured to a high quality standard and possess the following characteristics. Safety. The API is safe for the consumer and has been tested for side effects or any other risks for the user. Identity. The API that has been manufactured is the correct one. Quality. The API is manufactured using the correct methods and materials. Purity. The API contains only what it is supposed to contain, with no unwanted materials or contaminants. Stability. The API retains its safety, purity, and effectiveness for the duration of its shelf life. The shelf life is the period of time during which a product may be stored and still remain suitable for use. Where is GMP required? Everybody working in an API manufacturing facility, including you, has some responsibility for the quality of the products produced. Following GMP is therefore critical. GMP covers all aspects of manufacturing, from raw materials, facilities, and equipment, to the training and personal hygiene of staff. The rules of GMP must be consistently followed in your everyday work practices. Working under GMP minimizes the risk of making poor quality products. Therefore, GMP helps to protect both the company and the consumer. Here are some examples of GMP requirements. Warehousing. Materials and products stored in a warehouse must be given a quality control status as per GMP standards. Quality control. Quality control as part of GMP includes sampling, inspecting, and laboratory testing of starting materials, in-process, intermediate, and bulk products. Production. Products must be made using the correct standard methods as per GMP regulations to ensure a high standard of quality. Packaging and labeling of products. The correct labels must be used on products. Wrong labeling could result in potential harm to customers or patients.